Hey, welcome to Grow New Plants. Today I'm going to try something new, something that I've never messed with before, is succulents. And I picked this up at the big box store the other day. It's a Sedum Aurora Blue, and it's really cool looking. And of course, you know me, I want to take anything and make it into more plants. So I'm going to experiment with this thing and see what I can do. So first thing I'm going to do, it's got a couple leaves that have already fallen off of it. So I'm probably going to try and propagate them. And if you look real close, hopefully you can see that one's been in the bottom of the thing, and it's already actually got some little roots coming off of it. That one's a fresh one that just came off, and that's an old rotted leaf there. And there's actually a little baby down in there too that I saw earlier. I'll tell you what, I'm going to take this thing out of the pot where we can see it better. Here's one here that's already made a little pup. So we'll see what we can do with that. So from everything that I've gathered on these, like I said, this is relatively new to me, is that kind of my goal here is I'm going to take the tops off of several of these and try and start them into new pots. And then whatever leaves come off of them, then I'll try and propagate from the leaves too. So I'm just going to take this thing down to where I'm just going to go ahead and go with the trunk there. So I got one here, and I'll just knock the leaves off. I'm just very gently breaking them off. I'll do one of these at regular speed, then I'll fast forward through the rest of them. It's going to give me a lot of leaves. These are just cool looking plants. So I'm going to take it to right here. So this one I'm going to take and I'll cut it about right there maybe. And that one I will let callus over. I'm going to let this sit for a day. I'm going to let the leaves and the tops that I cut off all callus over for a day. So I'm just going to let them sit in the shade. I'll leave them outside, but I won't leave them in the sun. So I'm going to fast forward through, and I'm going to go ahead and remove several more of these. And then we'll look and see what's underneath. It looks like there's some more pups down underneath too. So. Okay, I think I got all this that I want to take off of these. I know it doesn't leave much of a plant anymore, but my goal really, this is kind of a sacrifice plant, but I may be able to still turn this into a decent looking plant again. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put my soil back in here. I can get all this in here back full again, you know how it goes. I may have to get some extra soil. I'll add some extra soil back in around that. So I'm just going to leave that like that, and that'll become, you know, just let that grow back out. And I think it's got so many little babies in there, and I think it'll fill back in and still end up being a nice looking plant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all this out. I'll get all this dirt out of here, but I'm going to leave all these seeds, all these little leaves, and let them callus over. And then I did find one more little seed that had a pup growing on it already, so I'll put that in there too. So I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I got 11 of these little tops that, so I'm going to let the ends callus over, and then I'll plant these in cactus soil tomorrow, and then I'll just leave these Once they callus over, I'll lay them over some dry soil, and you just lay them on top of the ground. So I'm gonna let these things callus overnight, and then tomorrow I'll come back and we'll plant these up, and then we'll get these set up on top of some soil. Okay, so I said I was gonna let these things sit for a day, but I actually let them sit for 4 days. And you can see they've calloused over really nicely. All of these tips really calloused good. And the leaves, it's kind of hard to tell. They really don't look that much different, but I know I've given them plenty of time to callus over. So what I'm gonna do is I've got these little 2-inch pots. I've got this Miracle-Gro cactus potting mix. So I'm gonna use that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this empty tray here, and then I'm gonna fill up. I'm gonna plant, one of these was really tiny and it's kind of wilty looking, so I'm not gonna use it. So, and you'll see why when I lay these out. I go 5 across here, so I'm gonna use this same tray. So my potting mix was pretty moist right out of the, and I'm just kind of shaking it down. I'm not pressing it, compressing it. I want it to stay pretty airy. And I've got a neighbor dog barking, sorry. So I'm just gonna kind of level these off. So I'll fast forward through this. I'm gonna fill all these up, and then I'm gonna put the remainder of the soil into my tray for my leaf cuttings. And I'll just do the whole thing in one tray, take up less space under my grow light. Okay, I got all my soil put in, so now I'm going to take all my heads, and they're all calloused over, so I'm basically just gonna take these and stick them down into the hole. Some of these are kind of curved and stuff. I'll just get them in there best that I can. Pack the dirt around them a little bit. These bigger ones, they can just go right in there. Actually, that works just fine. Just sticking them in there, I don't even have to make a hole. That soil is pretty airy. And that one's got something in it. That one's got a stick in it. Here, I'll put one of these short ones in here. There, that'll work. That's basically all I'm doing, just packing these things down in here, leaving them soil nice and loose. And this soil was pretty wet out of the bag. I didn't add any moisture to it. If it had been real dry, I would have gotten it wet, or at least moist before. Now I got these 2 little ones left. That one's so small and it's kind of wilty. That one's a little bit wilty too, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it too. So that gives me 10 of those. So that's all there is to these. I wish I'd gotten that one down in there a little deeper. I want these things down to the soil level. And I'll just add a little soil around that one. Okay, so I got all those planted now. That's basically all I'm going to do with those, and I'll water them in just a little bit, just to keep them moist. And then from here, I'm just going to take these leaves, and I'm just going to start laying them on top of the soil. And I'm going to do the ones that really look wilty and stuff, I'm not going to do anything with. I'll tell you what I'm going to do first. I got this one that's already got a leaf dried on it. It's pretty much done, except that it doesn't have, hasn't really developed any roots yet. And this one's got little tiny roots on it, and then it's got a little bitty baby coming up off of it already, so I'll go ahead and stick that one in there and let it develop some roots. So I'll go ahead and fast forward through this and get all these things laid out. A few of these down on this end, I kind of did those at the end, were kind of wilty looking, but I went ahead and stuck them in there anyway. And I'm going to go ahead and, just for grins, I'll go ahead and take this one and stick it in there too, and see if maybe it'll go ahead and grow roots too. So that's basically it. So I'll take these things and I'm going to put them under my grow lights inside, and then give them, hopefully within a couple weeks, I'll start seeing some kind of signs of rooting on them. It may take a little bit longer, I'm really not sure. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, but we can kind of learn together on it. Hopefully they'll work. And I'm going to take them every couple days when they start looking kind of wilty. I'll mist them lightly across the top, but I'll never fill this soil up with water. I'll just mist lightly across the top. These I'll actually water a little bit. I'll water very lightly. I may mist them, but if they look like they get real dry, I may actually pour just a little bit of water into those, because these can withstand the moisture better, because they're really actively looking to grow roots, because they're an actually growing plant already. So we're gonna go ahead and let these sit for a couple weeks, and then hopefully after a couple weeks, then they start growing roots, and then within a month or so I'll start seeing little baby plantlets. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, roughly 56, probably something like that, 50 something leaves, and then 10 little tops that I cut off of those. So if even half of these work, I'll have a lot of plants off of that one little plant that I got at the box store. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. I will definitely do an update on this. I would say within a month you should see some kind of an update video on these. And I appreciate you watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please share my videos. Thank you.